With Christmas less than 6 weeks away and Black Friday promotions seemingly everywhere you look online, is now the time to look for caravan, campervan and motorhome related products as a gift or just to treat yourself. Hi, it's Dave T here, and over the past years I've used and tested various caravan, campervan and motorhome related products. I've also been fortunate enough to work with and get to know some of the brands involved. So with Christmas just around the corner and Black Friday deals available, here's a rundown of some of my favourite products. Now, some of these have time limited Black Friday deals, but don't worry if you're watching this in the future, as I'll also include other long-term discount codes where possible. For full disclosure, a few of these products give me a small commission on sales made with my discount codes. I'll mention these in the video and description where applicable. I reviewed Autovox's solar-powered wireless rear view camera back in June, and it was without a doubt the easiest reversing camera to install. The camera has its own battery which is kept recharged by a small solar panel, but can also be recharged by a USB-C cable if it does run out. The screen simply plugs it into a spare 12-volt socket in the vehicle, and the screen quality was excellent, and I didn't notice any interference whilst travelling with it even throughout Europe. Vox have a Black Friday sale on, and you can also use the discount code on screen now at the link in the description. We fitted a Roma lithium battery to our campervan earlier this year, and will be fitting another to our new campervan at some point in the next few months. Roma's products are leading edge, using top of the range BMSs with features such as active balancing, and when this video goes live they should have a Black Friday code for a discount. And if you're watching this after Black Friday, then don't worry, because you can still use my DT2 code for 5% off. Shadow foam is a layered foam product that is great for general organisation of unusually shaped items, especially in a space like a campervan or a motorhome where you are trying to minimise rattles. I used it as part of my kitchen organisation video back in January, and I'm planning to use it again for our new campervan. There's no Black Friday discount code, but I wanted to give it a mention because it's just such a useful product. I love the innovation of Peggy Pegs, who have a range of lightweight screw-in pegs for a range of situations. Whether it's pegging out on a grass pitch with the occasional buried roots or rocks, setting out guys on sandy soil where normal pegs have no grip, or pitching on any other challenging ground. Peggy Peg has a range of pegs to help you in any situation, along with other products such as Kedar rail grips, awning leg plates and water-filled weights for hard standings. And you can use the code DT213 for 13% off. CL Booking doesn't need a discount code because it is free to use. What's even better is that it's a great way to find CL sites that have availability for the dates on which you want to stay. And if you don't already know, CL sites are rural 5-pitch sites ranging from off-grid to fully serviced, which are generally much lower cost than main sites. So go ahead and check the description below and register for free today. Lock & Level is a UK company that revolutionised how to level single or twin axle caravans, especially for van owners that use the Alco wheel locks. They've also recently launched a new version of their airbag based system that can be used with campervans and motorhomes up to 3.5 tonnes. I should be reviewing the new campervan leveler soon, but in the meantime check the link in the description below. If you have any particular caravan or van related products that you've used and can recommend, then please do let me know in the comments. But in the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have, then please do hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos that I make, especially that upcoming Lock & Level camper review and possibly another Autovox product that's perfect for caravans, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified of videos as I post them. But most of all, thanks for watching.